Good afternoon, everybody. Me and Harry's out for a ride. Uh-oh, you're being followed by a dog, Harry.
Well, dang.
Dog gone.
He's gone.
Dog gone. What I say? Doggone it. Look at that creek down there. We come down through here one time, and there's a deer swimming down through there. In that creek. It knew how to travel. It's right down through there somewhere.
He may have been fishing.
May have been.
Well, I've canoed this area a lot back in my younger days.
I figured there'd be a lot of spots where you might have to drag the canoe, is there? Or does it?
Well, this way, generally, yes, you'd have a lot of dragging. This year we've had enough rain early that the water's still pretty good.
Yeah, the water looks pretty good now. Like it's up pretty good.
Now, if you get on down here from Pineville on, it stays good just about all the time.
Usually the way they are, the further you go down, the better it gets. More little springs and things keep coming into it.
So you get down to Grand Lake.
Yeah. That's a ways.
Yeah. Take you a day or two float.
You've done that?
No, I've never went any farther than Knoll.
Oh.
I've never went on down to Cowskin.
Yeah.
But I've done it from Jacket all the way to Knoll on Sugar Hill.
I was like, well, there's a meter in here in that pole. I guess it goes to that place right there.
Looks like a little campground back in there.
Oh, yeah, something.
That's what this used to be here years ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Used to be all kinds of campgrounds. They're all closed now.
Yeah, they are.
So, no, a lot of them closed because they flood out and...
Takes too much to keep them up.
Yep. Well, my son Kevin was supposed to be with us, but I think he's too busy sleeping.
He's young. He needs that. He's growing, boy.
Yeah, growing boy. You got to do all that sleeping. I mean, you don't want to get out here and ride motorcycles and ride your life away when you could sleep. About a hole. Yeah, I see all the bagworms hanging in the air.
Yeah, I run through one a while ago.
Yeah, I've been swerving them all the way down from the house. Down, we'll see one and I'll go around it. That's what it is. You're picking them up after I miss them.
Kind of like the old train collecting the mail.
Yeah. Yeah, have a hook on there.
I like it that it rained last night. It keeps that dust down. I ain't eating it.
No kidding, that is nice. You can tell that it's damp. I used to like that when a bunch of us go four-wheeling, and boy, after a rain, it's nice not have all that dust. Of course, I was always usually in front.
It's just like a sled dog. He's the lead dog's the only one with a view.
Yeah. When it was like this, I wanted to be in the back. And it was real dusty, and people was like, "Who's leading?" I'm like, "I'll do it." We would go several miles and stop, and everybody just totally covered in dust, and I was just clean as could be. Heck yeah, I'll lead. I'm the leader today. When it's wet, I'll follow behind. There's another one.
Today is such a much nicer day since it cooled off.
Oh my.
Heat index being over 100.
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
This is beautiful. Super. And that's why I thought, I looked on the weather and I thought, I better invite Harry, because I looked and I seen, heck, it's going to rain in the morning. It's not going to be raining afternoon anyway, but it didn't even rain this morning that I know of.
Not much.
Plus it was real early. It must have been real early when it did.
Yeah, when I got up, I had 1/4 of an inch in the gauge. That's all I had.
Yeah, and I thought, that'd be perfect for riding because it's going to be cool down. It's supposed to only get max out at 80, and with the dust settled, it'd be super.
Yeah, I haven't put many miles on in all this last few days with all the heat.
Me either. Back and forth to work, mostly. I went a couple dirt roads on the way home and stuff when I was doing that fuel mileage test on that. Now I'm doing the fuel mileage test here on the premium. Of course, if you look at this, guys, you can see it says 83.5 average. Probably because we're doing this back road and easy on the throttle. Now if Harry was in front of me, I'd be probably wide open trying to keep up.
That's right.
Yeah.
You had her trying to pick me up.
Gee whiz. He rides so dang fast. It is funny because he told me, oh, I just put the back road, just put. And one time I let him in front and gee whiz. Where the heck you going, man?
Just having a good time.
You running a race or what are you doing?
Oh, that just looks a little sketchy.
Oh, that's what's pretty cool about those rocks sticking up like that. See, this road goes back through there too.
Come back out on the...
Yeah, they all kind of go back in there to the same place. Probably get dust where it's open like this and they get some sun.
It dries out a little quicker.
Boom, that's a pretty good hole right there. There's some more right here.
Thanks for pointing it out.
Hey, you stand up, boy, it's smooth. Sitting down with my lard butt. You feel it. You can use these corners as a berm when you're really hauling through here.
I don't want to do that.
When you're hauling the mail. That's what we used to do on the dirt bikes on the two-strokes. Come right here and like this. It's like a perfect berm. You hit that and you ain't going nowhere. If you pin it and you're in that, you're not going nowhere.
Slingshot you right on around.
Just right on around the corner. It's just, you got to get up the nerve to start doing it before it ever works out. If you ain't got the nerve to really do it. But it's pretty cool. See, this is what you got to watch. You probably already do that. Like when it says lane.
Yeah.
No sense wasting your time. That road don't go nowhere. It don't say road.
That just goes down to somebody's house more than likely.
Yep. Some of them says lane or circle or drive.
We
And they're
should
no
be
good.
taking a ride here before long, shouldn't we?
Yeah, right down here a little ways. After we get past the swamp.
Yep.
There's another bagworm.
I missed him.
Darn the luck. There's some pretty cool looking bluffs down in here. It's always shady down in here too. We come down in here in the winter and I mean the icicles are awesome down through here. Off them bluffs right up there, look at that.
Now, McDonald County's got awful good scenery.
Yes it does.
Crystal clear streams.
Crystal clear, who? I'd like to own about 1,000 acres down in here. Of course, then I couldn't afford to pay the taxes. See that up in there?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Here's the swamp. Not the creek. Creek's on over. This is just like a little spot that backs up in here, I guess. Like it used to be the creek and then it moved. It probably had something to do with this mill.
Probably did.
I would say, and they rerouted it. It looked like it used to be over here on this side with that mill. There's still some old parts of that mill laying down here. I don't know what any of it done, but looked pretty heavy duty. What was the mill for, do you know?
I would imagine just grinding grain and corn.
Probably.
It's like, you know, Growing River and everywhere else.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's still going down through here. And it goes right over there to where that mill's at, I think, or right in here somewhere.
Yeah, after on downstream past this where the mill's at, there's lots of ledge rock on the bottom of the creek.
Oh, there it is right there, yeah. So here's where the mill was, obviously. Look at that big old dude. I don't know what all that is.
Old Cyclone Mill.
You can pick it up, throw it on the back rack. Should be able to. I've been down here when the water's going over this.
I have too.
And you don't turn down this little road down the road in here. and it's be going over the road above a little bit, and then on down it actually goes, but you can't go on down. There's a dip, there's a low spot down there. You couldn't, yeah, you couldn't go past no further down, so you have to turn around and go back out. There's some naked ladies over there.
I didn't look.
Don't look. Don't look, Ethel. We might go up this one road down here. I remember where it's at. It's called,
Should be at Craig Lee.
no, it's called something View. Ridge View, or, you know what I'm talking about?
No. This is old Camp Tilden. This used to be a really good camp.
Yeah, I know. I've never seen it when it was open, I don't guess.
Yeah, I've been in there when it was open.
You can see all the places for camper hookups.
Yeah, it was really a nice campground. I think the people that owned it, the lady must have passed away, and it's just, family's got it shut down. But it is a, yeah, well, of a good investment if you could afford it.
Oh yeah, I bet it's probably not even for sale. I don't see no signs.
I don't think it is.
It'd be cool to have. You can afford it once you get it.
Well, I'm too busy.
You can start dual sport adventure tours out of there.
No, I thought it over.
It didn't take long to think that over. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up. So we'll make another video here in a little bit, and this so it'll be probably in a day or two, who knows. Thank you all for watching. Right on.